Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create multiple US TikTok accounts. And I'm making this video why? Because so many of my subscribers have been asking me how possible it is to have a multiple TikTok US accounts. So I'm going to be walking you through everything you need to know, you need to do to have this working for you. So guys, the whole idea about this is just we having multiple profiles, multiple browsing profiles that we can connect or integrate with our proxy setup. So if you have profiles that can be used for creating an account, all you need to do is to integrate proxies into them so that you don't get banned when trying to create an account even on TikTok and maybe some other social media handles. Now the proxies I get to use for this exactly is called Everme. All right, I just discovered Everme and recently I've been making use of this, and trust me, it's been doing the job so well. Now what we need to do is to create a new profile, integrate our profiles with proxies from Everme, and we should be good to go. So let me walk you through how to set up your proxy on Everme. It's really easy, but you should also watch to learn how I do it myself. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to have an account on Everme. If you already do, then you should learn how to purchase proxies, and purchasing your proxy is quite simple. All you need to do is to make sure you're going to be selecting any of the kind of proxies you want to make use of, and trust me, you have quite a number of proxies that can be used for whatever purpose you need a proxy for. So let's say I'm going to be buying a proxy for the premium residential, okay? And these kind of proxies are what we use, all right, when trying to create multiple accounts on different platforms. Why? Because they are not easily tracked, okay? It's looking like a real human being who is browsing the net. So if you want to buy your own proxy, you need to come over to the subscription page. And the subscription page is where you're going to be finding access to the available plans on Everme. So all you need to do is to actually go ahead in choosing the amount you want to pay for a proxy. And you can see how much money you have to pay for a proxy. And you can see two different plans right here. One is the monthly plan, and also one is the pay as you go plan. And if you're working with proxies consistently, you should always learn to go with the pay as you go plan. You know the reason why? Because even when you don't get to use your proxies are still intact. But if you go with this one that has to do with the flex plan, trust me, every time, every month, you have to renew your proxies, and that's just a downside to this. So always go with the pay as you go. So whenever you're not making use of your proxies are still intact. So if you've been able to purchase your proxy, of course, then you're going to be having some gigabytes allocated to you. Depends on how much you bought. So how do you set up your proxy? It's simple. Come over right here to the proxy generator, and if you click on this right here, you're going to be finding some settings you need to put in place. Trust me, guys, if you don't put your proxy set up rightly, you're going to be having issues trying to access your TikTok account. For you to be able to fit this well, you need to come right here to the location settings. Okay, now you can see where we have the location settings. You want to make sure that the country is not in worldwide. You want to go right here and select the United States of America. Why? Because that is what you want to get. So United States of America should be somewhere around here. I'm going to quickly look for it, or I can even search for it very quick, and you can see I have it right in here. Sorry, this is it right here. I have the United States of America right in here. So I think you can also select multiple countries on Everme. It just depends on what you want. So let's go with this one right here. Okay, we have the United States of America, and for the city, you can actually get to choose what city you want to make use of. But I always like to use this on random. You know the reason why? Because many a times trying to access a particular city might not be so convenient at that moment, but every other time it might just go so well. So leave this on random and just leave it the way it is. And the region, you can also get to select the region you want to work with, but for me, I'm also going to be making use of the random one. Now I need you to come right here to the section settings. Very important, guys. Now the section setting basically is where you're going to be having either you want to make your IPs, all right, or your proxies rotate itself, or maybe you want them to be stagnant, which is the sticky section. Now let me get to explain what each of this means. Now for the rotating IPs, okay, you're going to be having your IPs change itself over time. So let's say you're trying to access a TikTok account, and over time, all right, let's say your IP is going to be coming from, let me just say, from this particular one city right here, which is a Davenport. Okay, if you get to use this for a while, automatically it gets to change to some other cities, but it's still going to be in the jurisdiction of the United States of America, so you don't have to worry about that. But when you go with the sticky IP, okay, whatever thing you're selecting, whatever country, whatever city, whatever region, it gets to stick to that exact one. until you're done, or maybe until you disconnect it yourself. So always go with the sticky section, and right here you're going to be having access to, you can see the section type is going to be normal section or a hard section, it depends. So always go with something similar to hard, okay, because it just gets a stick to that exact location and the amount of proxies you want to get for yourself. So the profiles you want to create, how many TikTok accounts do you want to manage? So for me, I'm just going to be managing 3 to 5. So let me just say 5. I want 5 IPs, okay? And the lifetime for this, okay, is just going to be 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes for that. So every other thing is just going to be on default, okay? You can try around, do some other settings randomly to see which one of them is going to work fine for you. But for me, this is the exact settings I use in creating multiple US TikTok accounts. And right here, if you come to the top, you're going to be having access to 5 different generated strings. These are your IP links, your proxy links, and you can copy all of this and use them into your profiles, like I told you much earlier. So now let's get started with that. So for each profile right here, I'm just going to open up a new profile, and I'm just going to be adding up the proxy generated from Everme. So, and right here, I'm just going to come to the proxy type, and for the proxy type right here, I'm just going to come to user proxy, okay? And the proxy setting is where I'm just going to be inputting my proxy link. So you can see the first one right here from Everme. I'm just going to copy this one right here. So if I copy this one, I come back to my profile, okay, and I add this in here. Now you should just watch what's going to happen. It's going to take its time to load up, okay, and try to detect where this proxy is actually going to be working from. And guys, you can see we have this proxy. The location is Los Angeles, okay. You can see that everything here is good. So I'm just going to leave this one the way it is. I'm going to open up the second Chrome profile, and I'm going to repeat the same thing again. I'm going to come to add a proxy. All right, and from here I'm just going to select user proxy, and I'm just going to copy again the proxy I got from Everme. Now the reason why I'm making use of Everme, because so far so good, this has just been the most, will I use the word, the strongest of the proxies I've been using in a while now. So I'm just going to come back right here, and I'm also going to repeat the same thing here, guys. So it's easy when you do this the same way. So just click on enter, and you can see, guys, we can see we have a different location for this. So you see everything is having a different location, but trust me, you're still in the United States of America. You can see an amazing, right? Now for the third profile, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Come here, click on add a proxy. All right, and for the proxy type, I'm just going to use a user proxy, and I'm going to come back right here to copy my proxy. Okay, and let's see what location this is going to give to us. This is the third one, and I'm going to add this right in here. So let's click on enter again once more. And you can see, guys, we have a different location entirely, a different IP, and you can see that the fingerprint is consistent, meaning your account is much more secured. So you can proceed right now to the fourth one, to the fifth one, to the sixth one. It all depends on actually the proxies you want to work with and how many profiles you want to be working with. So I'm just going to complete this to 5. All right, guys, so now that we have all our profiles already connected to our proxies, now it's time for us to access the TikTok site. So for the profile 1, I'm going to be accessing TikTok, and also going to be repeating the same thing for profile 2, profile 3, 4, and also profile 5. Now each and every of these profiles are already connected to the TikTok site. So how sure are we that they are working from the United States of America? All I need to do right now is to come over to each profile, and I'm also going to be searching for what's my current IP. All right, this will tell us if truly we are browsing from the United States of America. And you can see for profile 1, we have this to be the location, and if you also cross-check that with our proxy, you're going to be finding that it's actually true, they are both connected. And also for profile 2, it's the same thing. For profile 3, also the same thing, and also profile 4, and also profile 5. So it means whenever you try to access TikTok directly, it's going to be looking like you are browsing from the United States of America, and you have no restrictions to the kind of content you're going to be watching. So this is how you get to create multiple TikTok US accounts. So I hope you found this video helpful, and for those of you asking me similar questions, this can also work for Facebook, work for Instagram, and so many other websites you're trying to have access to. So if you want to get access to Everme, the link is going to be down below for easy access, because trust me, if not for this proxy, I'm really sure we're going to be having issues trying to create multiple accounts on different locations, from different locations, and also on different sites. So check out Everme using the link down below for easy access, and I'll see you in my next one. Please take care of yourself, and I'll see you. Bye.